eat it.
Okay, it's either earwax. Wait. It's either peach or vomit.
Just eat it. Chew, chew, chew.
I got peach. You got vomit.
No, this is peach.
Oh. Just do it. It's yours. Please eat the vomit.
It might be peach. It might be peach.
What if vomit tastes good?
I'm not eating it.
What if I?
Check with the love.
Enchiladas.
So it wasn't peach?
No.
Where's the other one?
How did you think it was peach in the beginning?
That didn't taste anything bad.
I hope it's vomit.
Oh my god. I can't do this. I
You have
really...
to eat half of this.
Hells no. Jossie seriously looked hurt.
I really want to
Jeffrey better watch this video.
Can you please try the moldy cheese?
Hell no.
Please.
Chew it. Chew faster.
I think pencil shavings would taste good.
I'm down to eat pencil shavings. Jenny, chew.
Can that be?
Vomit or peach?
Can that be?
Joss, that was fun. You were freaking gargling. What the?
You would.
I'm not sure because I'm kind of sick. So
Okay,
taste.
please. Please just eat this.
That's the moldy cheese one.
No, I wouldn't.
That's moldy
I-
cheese.
Not cheese. It's either cafe latte or earwax. Eat it. Eat it. Ready?
Wait, there's three of all of them, and
No,
one of them's
no.
bad, or two of
We
them.
don't know what's happening because they gave us.
Wait,
a lot.
let me see the box. I don't trust.
No, they gave a lot. We might have not even gotten all. We might not even have moldy cheese.
It might be baby wipes or coconut.
I think that's white. Ready?
Wait.
What if it's your one?
What does it taste like? Here,
Go.
you can tell our math. This is
No,
good.
don't eat it.
Throw up.
Gusto
Konji
Mama.
Waxa.
Baby
Mama,
wipe.
Konji Waxa,
I'm down to
please.
eat baby wipes. Give me the white ones.
I got cafe latte.
Are you sure? You thought you got peach last
No,
time?
I really taste coffee. It's
Go like
coffee.
this.
Yeah,
Go like
winner.
Go
Winner.
like this.
Cappuccino yama.
Yeah, mine too. Did you guys get earwax? What does it taste I love this game.
Even that.
So far,
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I kind of want to know what it tastes like.
Earwax!
Either coffee or gum earwax or chesiman, but get this banana proportion.
If people are asking, mine was normal.
What's normal mean?
Oh
It's
my
not
God.
earwax.
I couldn't even eat it. Look, it's still here. Oh, I still taste it.
Maybe you got baby wipe.
Mixi hama.
Is that, Mom? That's earwax. Stop eating that. Love it?
No, I don't think you got the earwax was very sour.
Oh, maybe baby wipe?
What's the box?
Vicks?
Let's eat the baby wipe coconut one.
Coconut?
Give me one. Ah.
There's some bananas and
Ito
ear
just
shaving.
Ah. Mom, strong hit din kad sa video ay brown na. Jocelyn meron mer vomit na.
Let's do these.
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 No, these.
Hell no, those are the moldy cheese ones.
No, it's not. It's ear shavings and
Ear shape.
these are the
Pencil
moldy
shave.
cheese. These
I'm
are
down
those.
for pencil shavings.
Okay,
and
pencil
banana.
shavings, I'm down.
That's really not bad. Did you take one?
No,
Do it.
that looks like a bad one you just gave. Okay,
I'm really
go. You
excited.
guys go.
I actually hope I get pencil. Pencil. It's not banana. Oh, it is banana.
Pencil shaving or banana?
It kind of tastes like both.
I think mine. It does taste like both.
Det var nog nerna. Where's the hand there?
Alright, this one's coming out.
Actually, this is pencil shaving. I taste lead.
I really have to cheat.
I feel like I just sucked on my pencil.
Ew. Okay, next.
Eat one until you get a pencil.
Which color?
Actually, that might have been banana. Matt, open your mouth and close it. Tastes like banana, yeah?
We didn't get rotten
Oh, no.
egg. Oh, this rotten egg or popcorn.
You guys do that
I
shit.
can't do rotten egg. Henrietta, don't make the videos that long.
No, dude, it's fun.